Hello students, let us start with today's topic of NumPy. The first one is matrix formation in single step. In the previous video, we developed a matrix of 5 into 5 order by writing all the contents. But in single step, how can we develop the matrix using arrange? And what is the meaning of maze share memory? And how to copy the matrix from one matrix to another matrix? Let us start with the topics. That A1 is the matrix. So I write np dot range 6, then print A1. Execute the program. The value is 0 to 5. So I write here plus np, basically it's concatenation, dot arrange again 6, 0 to 4, 6, 8, 10. Suppose I write here colon np dot new access. Now see the output. Now the output is like this: 0, 1, 2, 3. Basically I am changing the access. The first value is 0, 0 to 5, and the next value is 1, and range is of 6 values, but the starting value is 1. Suppose I am writing here, let us change this 0 to 51 and a step of 10. The first value will start from 0, it means 0 to 5. The second value will start from 10, it means 10 to 15. Let us try to see the output or understand the output. 0 to 5, it means the starting value is 0, the items are 6. If I am writing here 3, see the output here, first value is 0, but the total values are 3. The next starting value is 10, and total values are 3, it means 10 to 12. If I am writing here 4, it means only 4 values are there. If I am writing here 6, it means the 6 values are there from 0 to 5. Hope you understand the content of designing the matrix in a single step. So I write here A2 second matrix np dot range n, then print the value of A2, separately display the elements. You can produce some space. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 9. These are the values. So I write A3 is equal to A2. It is basically the new matrix with the elements taken from A2. Print A3. These are some elements taken from A2 and the production of A3 is there. These elements are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The jumping factor is 2, means the step is 2 basically. The starting value is 0, then 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the values. Now apply maze share memory. Print np dot may share memory A2, comma A3. Suppose A2 and A3 are sharing memory. Let us change some value inside A3. Suppose I write A3 1 is equal to 11. Now print A2. See the output. The output is 7 here. Now what is the meaning of this? Basically A3 1. Look at this: 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. The value at index 1 is 2. It changes into 11. But here 2 lies at second index. But the value is changes accordingly. Suppose I am writing 0 here. And see the output. It will change the first value. Suppose I am writing 3 here. And check both the arrays. 11. 0, 2, 4, 6. Basically 6 lies here. And 11. There is a change here. Here we apply some step factor. 11 is there. If I am changing the value at position 2 in matrix 2. Now check the output. If I am changing A2, 3 is equal to 11. 3 is there, but 3 is not there inside the second matrix. That's why there is no change. If I am writing 2 here, there is change. Because 2 lies this matrix also. Hope you understand the content of mesh share memory and how to change the values. Now the last one is copy from matrix to matrix. Suppose A4 is np dot arrange 5 print A4. Check the output. A4. Okay. Let's see the output here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's okay. See the output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements. Then copy in A5. A5 is equal to A4 2 dot copy. Then print A5. Check the output. The values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, 4. Basically, I am printing the even values starting with 0. That's why this content is there. Now try to apply mesh share memory inside these. Suppose I write A5 0 is equal to 12. Then print A5. Let us check the output. It's okay. Now print np dot may share memory A4 A5. Now print A4 and execute the program. There is no change. There is no change. Why there is no change? Because if we copy the content, there is no change. Otherwise, directly if we are developing the matrix, then it can share the memory. Hope you understand the content. First is matrix formation in single step by using np.arrange in concatenation, and second with the new access. Second one is may share memory of two matrices, then copy from matrix to matrix. Thanks for watching my video.